any 2023 grand finale is contestant number 1. Can we have some music, please?
Well, could we have the music a little louder? It's time for the celebration. We have the top 10 stables. The first participant that's joining the top 10 is contestant number 1.
I was missing you, Geet.
Well,
Next up, the second participant to be in the top 10, contestant number 4.
well, contestant number 4, congratulations. And please join contestant number 1 for the top 10 of Miss Trans NE 23 grand finale. And can we have a little more music, a little louder? Let them celebrate. It's time to have some fun as we are celebrating the top 10 of Miss Trans NE 23.
Next up, contestant number 10.
Well, congratulations, contestant number 10. And next, Siddharth, who do we have?
Next we have contestant number...
Well, congratulations, contestant number 5. And the next contestant that will be joining us is... Please give it up. Well, congratulations, contestant number 6 for joining the top 10 of Miss Trans NE grand finale.
Next is contestant number 16.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's contestant number 16. And the next contestant is...
Contestant number 15.
Well, congratulations, contestant number 15. And ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for number 15.
And last but not the least, the final contestant to join the top 10.
Please give it up for contestant number 17 for joining the top 10 at Miss Trans NE 23 grand finale. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the top 10 of Miss Trans NE 23. Well, it's time to celebrate as we have the top 10 announced. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Well, lovely, lovely, lovely. And now moving on to our next segment directly as we have the top 10 right here on the stage, on the ramp. Applause.
My name is Sia Hansepi, and I'm 22 years old from Dimapur, Nagaland. Today I stand here as a proud transgender representing Nagaland. Thank you.
Good evening. Congratulations for being in top 10.
Good evening, sir.
So my question to you, if you are winning tonight, what will be your goal?
Well, thank you so much for your question, sir. If I get a chance to win this pageant today, the first of all, today, आज मैं जब यहाँ तक की जर्नी मेरी रही है, मैंने बहुत मेहनत किया है और आज अगर मैं जीतूंगी तो मैं खुद को भी प्रूव करूंगी और सारी दुनिया को भी प्रूव करूंगी कि मैं बस एक ट्रांसजेंडर नहीं हूँ, उससे भी कुछ ज़्यादा बन सकती हूँ और उड़ सकती हूँ. थैंक यू.
Well, thank you, contestant number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. मैं तालियां इसलिए बजाने की बार-बार जिद कर रहा हूं क्योंकि they need that fire in them, they need your support, they need that inspiration, they need that motivation because it's a competition and let me tell you, they अभी थोड़ी सी तो नर्वसनेस सब में है शायद, right? Obviously रहेगी, competition है, जीत और हार, कौन जीतेगा कौन हारेगा ये टेंशन रहती है, सो इसीलिए थोड़ी सी सपोर्ट आपसे ऑडियंस से मुझे चाहिए. तो नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन कंटेस्टेंट नंबर 4. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
won 2 titles.
Yes.
Congratulations again. So, my question is how would you serve as a role model to the upcoming contestants or upcoming girls looking to enter the pageant?
The minimum I could do is to create a safe space for the people, specifically for the people who belong to the LGBTQ plus community, and at least giving an eye out to their issues, talk to them, and at least teach them something, at least something positive. And what I would like to implement is the saying unity in diversity. Specifically, it seems when it comes to trans community, it's something which always lacks. And I believe by doing that, I would possibly see the dream in their eyes, the dream once enlightened by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who has narrated it to be not something we could dream of by closing our eyes. Rather, he has defined it to be the one which won't let us sleep anymore. So that's what I am going to do if I will win this pageant. Thank you.
Thank you for an answer.
Well, that was beautifully said. Contestant number 4. Well, please, music a little louder. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 4, and that was a very beautiful answer. Next, we have contestant number 10.
Koina Mitra. Name.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Anelia.
Hi, how are you? Congratulations
Thank you so much,
for
ma'am.
making it in top 10. Okay, my question isn't too serious. It's a fun show. It's a game. So why to be so serious? Tell me, if you get to live somebody else's life, experiment somebody else's story for a day, for 24 hours, you become someone else. Who would you choose and why?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, it would be my mom, because my mother teaches me how to be strong. She supports me as a strong pillar that all the beautiful buildings have, because we have in all the cities the beautiful buildings, but they are stay strong because of the pillars, because of that strong support. And if I would live a life with someone, that it be my mom, that I want to be as strong like her, who are bringing me like this, who give me that strength that I can stand for myself. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you. And, well, that was a very beautifully answered. And I must say that, of course, all our heroes are our mothers and our parents. And this is quite a strong statement she has made. Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 10. Next, we have contestant number 5.
Hello, my name is Kisha Sairam and I'm from Manipur.
Hi Kisha, English is fine.
Yes.
If there is one myth about the transgender community which is widespread and is not contributing positively to the transgender community, what is that myth and how will you break it?
Could you please repeat?
Yes. What is one thing that you think people know which is not true about transgender people, and how will you break it?
Thank you for the question. People already know that with our body structure and with our body language, they already know that we are a transgender and we are born this way. But they don't know our inner feelings. They only know our outer appearance. They don't know how we feel. How are we hurt? We make them, they discriminate us because of our experience, but they don't know our inner feelings. That is what I want to say, that they don't know about what we feel. From our childhood, we have been discriminated from our school, colleges, and in lots of public places. But the one thing they don't know is our inner feeling. And this is what I want to spread everyone the message that we are born this way, and this is what I am today. And I'm a proud transgender. Thank you.
Well, thank you. That was beautifully said. Contestant number 5. And next, please give it up for, can we have some music? Come on, man. Next, please give it up for contestant number 14.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi. How are you feeling?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yeah. My question is, what is one thing that the whole world should learn from your community?
The world should learn how to be very humble from the LGBT community. We have the most precious heart. We are the creature. We have full of love in our heart. We can love anybody. We have the guts to open our feelings in front of the society. So that is the reason we are born as a transgender. Whenever you feel sad, you can come in front of us. You can tell your problem in front of us. We are welcoming you all. You can share your problem. That is the main thing, that all the transgender are very humble and kind. Thank you so much.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 14. And next, I would like to call upon contestant number 18.
Hi.
Hi,
Yeah.
my name is Yashi Brahma. I am from Udalguri, Assam.
Hi. Yeah.
Hi.
She can't see me. She's on your left. On your left.
Oh,
thank you.
sorry. It's a light, you know.
No problem. Let's say you win the contest today. What is the one thing that you're going to do for the transgender community that's going to make you the best Miss Trans any?
Sir, can you explain me one thing?
अगर तुम जीत गई आज तो तुम कौन सा ऐसा एक चीज करोगी जिसके वजह से तुम्हें मिस ट्रांस एनी के विनर की तरह हमेशा लोग याद रखें?
अगर मैं आज ये ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट जीतती हूँ तो मैं अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए बहुत कुछ करना चाहूँगी। जो लोग हमारा कम्युनिटी से स्कूल नहीं जा पाते हैं, लोगों के ताने के वजह से फैमिली सपोर्ट नहीं करते कोई किसी को, तो उन लोगों को मैं मोटिवेट करना चाहूँगी कि उन लोगों के लिए भी बहुत कुछ है आगे लाइफ में करने के लिए। मेन थिंग कि ये फर्स्ट है कि लाइफ में शिक्षा बहुत ज़रूरी है सबके लिए। मोस्टली हमारे लिए ट्रांसजेंडर के लिए तो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है तो शिक्षा, तो वही मैं उसकी मोटिवेट करूँगी। थैंक यू।
Well, that was actually quite a insightful answer by contestant number 18. Next, I would like to call upon contestant number 6.
Hi. Are you nervous? How are you feeling?
No, ma'am.
Okay, your question is, what is that one trait or character that you had as a child that you wish you never gave up when you grew older? What is that one character that you had as a child you wish you never gave up?
Well, you know, Mom, anything happened in my life, whatever I am today is all because of what it was happened in my past. The warrior I'm today, the fighter that I'm today is because of the past. And I would never ever think about or regret about my past that I couldn't do or I didn't do that, because, you know, life is, it is how it is. We make mistakes sometimes, but we learn it from the mistake, and that is how we grow as an individual. That is how we evolve as a human being. And I don't think so I would never ever regret anything in life. So I would never ever change anything, any character from my past, because I'm proud of it. I'm glad that I had it, because it is the reason that I am independent, confident. I'm just 20 years old. I never had my parents, because my father left the world before even I was born, and I was only 11 when I lost my mother. But that didn't stop me. I didn't care about the world. I just focused on my dreams, on my goals. I want just to inspire others. And look at me and reflect your story to mine, because I am you. You are mine. You are me. Thank you so much.
That's a lovely answer. Thank you.
Well, I must say that was very beautifully said. Contestant number 6, congratulations. Next, I would like to call upon contestant number 16.
मेरा नाम किरण सुनार है और मैं तिनसुकिया से आई हूँ।
हाय।
हेलो मैम।
अच्छा, हिंदी में पूछूं?
जी मैम।
भारत में जो प्रॉब्लम्स हम सब, सिर्फ आपकी कम्युनिटी नहीं, हम सब जिस प्रॉब्लम का सामना सबसे ज़्यादा करते हैं वो है रिजेक्शन। और रीज़न कुछ भी हो, कम सक्सेस हो, कोई साइज एक्सेल हो, कोई हाइट में छोटे हो, दूसरों के नज़र में अगर वो कम है, अलग है, उसे रिजेक्ट किया जाता है। सोशल मीडिया और एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पर रोज़ लोगों को ट्रोल किया जाता है, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का सामना करते हैं, जैसे कि बाकी पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने भी कहा, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का सामना करते हैं। इंडिया बीइंग वन ऑफ द मोस्ट जजमेंट कंट्रीज़, one of the most judgmental countries in the world, I believe, जहाँ पे इतने कल्चर के लोग एक साथ रहते हुए भी वो यूनिटी दिखा नहीं पाते, हम हमेशा ट्रोलिंग का सामना करते हैं। आपके जूनियर बैच को, जब इसके बाद आपके बाद आपके जूनियर बैच आएंगे, या तो आपके कम्युनिटी में जितने आपके जूनियर्स हैं, आप उनको क्या सलाह देंगे, क्या सिखाएंगे कि किस तरह से रिजेक्शन को हैंडल करना चाहिए?
एक्चुअली थैंक यू फॉर द क्वेश्चंस मैम। मैं 2 साल की थी तब से मैं डांस करते आई हूँ विथ लड़की के ड्रेस में। मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ये है वो है, पर मैं कभी नहीं सुनती किसी की। आज यहाँ तक आई हूँ इसलिए जो मेरे माँ बाप ने शिक्षा दी है हमें, मैं बहुत मेहनत की हूँ उसके लिए। और मैं नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए बोलना चाहूँगी कि मेहनत करने से कुछ भी हासिल करना नामुमकिन नहीं है, बस अपना मेहनत जारी रखो। थैंक यू।
Well, thank you so much, contestant number 16. Now, I would like to call upon contestant number 15. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause.
And I'm 22 years old. Ma'am, Hindi?
Hi. So my question is, during this journey, after you...
Hindi?
अच्छा, sorry, I did not hear. इस पेजेंट में जब आप आए, आपने ये पूरा सीखने की तैयारी शुरू करी, और इस पूरी जर्नी में सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आपको क्या लगा, और उसको आपने कैसे ओवरकम किया, कैसे उसको हटाया अपने दिमाग से? यही क्वेश्चन है बस। आपका सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या था इस पूरी जर्नी में?
थैंक यू फॉर द क्वेश्चन मैम। ये जर्नी मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी है। ये ब्यूटी प्रेजेंट मेरे लिए नॉट ओनली ब्यूटी प्रेजेंट, ये एक ऐसी प्रेजेंट है जो मुझे चाहिए, लोगों को दिखाना है मुझे। आई एम बिली रावत। लाइफ में मैम जब से छोटी हुई हूँ बहुत हार्ड वर्क की हूँ। तो मैम जब मैं प्रेजेंट रिहर्सल में टाइम में थी तो आई एम ए मेकअप आर्टिस्ट। तो इस प्रेजेंट में मुझे जब आई तब मुझे बहुत मतलब मेरा मेकअप थी तो वो सब मैं हटा के आज इस ब्यूटी प्रेजेंट में आई हूँ। बहुत फ़ोन आते थे बट मुझे ये शो मुझे करना ही है, आगे मुझे जाना ही है, क्योंकि ये स्टेज मेरे लिए ना एक बहुत बड़ी स्टेज है जो मुझे यहाँ से वहाँ तक ले जाएगी, मेरी कम्युनिटी को आगे के ले जाने के लिए और मुझे सपोर्ट करने के लिए कि मैं आज एक गर्ल हूँ, नॉट ट्रांसजेंडर। थैंक यू।
Very nice. Thank you.
Well, thank you, contestant number 15. And now, I would like to call upon our final top 10 of Miss Ranzani. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for contestant number 17.
Hi, my name is Suman Mandal. I'm from Barbara district, Hauli, Assam. Thank you.
Good evening, Suman. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Good evening.
Suman, what will be your 5-year...
Can you speak Hindi, sir? if you
अच्छा
don't-
हिंदी में
Yeah.
आपके 5 साल के गोल्स एंड टारगेट्स क्या रहेंगे
5 साल तक
आगे आने वाले 5 साल के?
पानी आगे 5 साल तक सोचा तो बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन आप लोग सब जानते हैं ह्यूमन बीइंग का कुछ पता नहीं होता है। मैं आज इधर हूँ, 1 घंटे बाद कहाँ रहूँगी मैं, आई डोंट नो। तो जो प्रैक्टिकल है, आज अगर मैं इधर से बैक स्टेज जाऊँ तो मैं मर भी सकती हूँ, मैं बोल नहीं सकती। बट 5 साल तक मेरा बहुत कुछ प्लान है। एज ए मेकअप आर्टिस्ट में आगे अच्छा काम करना चाहती हूँ। एज ए ट्रांस वोमेन मॉडल हिसाब से बहुत सारी जगह पे काम करना चाहती हूँ। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लाइफ देना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज थैंक यू। एंड बचपन में मेरा बहुत कुछ झेला है पेरेंट्स ने भी मेरे वजह से, तो वो सब भूल कर मैं 5 साल तक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे मम्मी और पापा को मैं अच्छा लाइफ देना चाहती हूँ। दैट्स इट। थैंक यू सो मच।
Well, thank you so much, contestant number 17. And I must say, you have given